This 2016 Tundra Crewmax Platinum looks impressive in metallic silver. With a lift kit installed and aftermarket 20-inch black alloy wheels, it's ready to take on any adventure. From the back, the truck features a color-matched bumper, rear privacy glass, and a tow package. Drop the tailgate and you'll find the pickup's bed includes adjustable tie-downs and a branded liner that's in top condition. This sharp-looking 4x4 has a purpose-built look with a silver front grille, LED headlights, fog lights, and an integrated hood scoop. Inside the spacious cabin, you'll find premium leather upholstery along with climate control AC, power windows and locks, power heated seats, a leather-wrapped wheel with power tilt steering, cruise control, a Power Moonroof, and a JBL AM, FM, CD, XM radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The Crewmax offers easy access and a generous amount of legroom for your passengers, or fold up the seats and use the area for additional carrying capacity. Engine bay is clean and power comes from a 5.7 liter V8 mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and one-touch 4-wheel drive. Don't wait on this one. Tundras this nice are in high demand. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.